What's going on, guys? Dreworkz here. Just want to do a little in-depth video of this LC500 we just bagged. This LC500 we use Maxload struts with 3P management, and this does have the tan, or not tan, but the beige interior. Currently right now it's aired out. This is air out height. And we'll go ahead and show you the trunk setup that we made for this customer. And then with every vehicle we do bag, we do add a Dreworkz sticker. That is our stamp of approval. Sorry for my sniffles, it's a little cold out here. There's a little trunk setup we did. We have our compressor here on the left, and then the tank, and then everything else is kind of tucked away. You see here is the management, which I do need to flip the plate, but everything is kind of OEM and it's on place, so that way, you know, customer still has his own trunk space and he can still use it for, you know, groceries or daily driving. We try to keep our trunk setups very simple. One, comfortability, and two, simplicity. We're very big on simplicity when it comes to trunk setups. That way, you know, you're always able to use your trunk. The car is a little dirty right now due to, you know, being cold and rainy here in Texas. We also installed the Army-Trix exhaust to this. We'll show you a little in-depth startup on that as well. You know, one cool feature I do like about the LC500 is the opening door handles. This interior is very nice. As soon as you get into the interior, you know, you have your OEM plus setup. As like I said, we try to keep everything as simple as possible. That Army-Trix exhaust sounding beautiful. As soon as you turn on the car, it'll automatically air up to your ride height. And this is a 3P setup. You will hear the compressor for maybe 10 seconds and it should go away. Here we have our valve for the exhaust. As you see right now, it's very quiet. But as soon as I press this button, this is going to be your air up height. It can go higher in the front. This is just how we have it as a preset. This is, you know, good enough to, you know, clear driveways, anything that you won't be able to get over, but you can still go higher. This is just what we have it set at.